Hello guys, if you want to make a lot of money online in 2020, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you a really interesting source from which you can learn a lot of things, and all those lot of things can earn you a lot of money in 2020. So watch this video till the end, understand the entire thing which I'm going to show you and in this video, and you just need to understand that you can make a ton of money just by getting this very little skill. Okay, this is a really interesting skill which anyone of you can learn, and one of the most trusted company in the world is teaching you that particular skill, and with that skill you can earn a lot of money. I'm going to show you, I'm going to reveal to you, I'm going to explain you the entire process how you can develop that skill and make a lot of money online in 2020. Watch this video till the end and understand the entire thing. So now let's get started into the video. I will show you where you have to go. So the website which you just have to go is known as Skillshop. Okay, Google Skillshop, skillshop.withgoogle.com. Now this is the website where you can learn all these interesting courses in which include Google Ads. Yes, Google Ads is one of the most powerful tool in the world, and you know that with the power of Google Ads you can sell any of your product using affiliate marketing, or you can just run Google Ads for someone else and get paid for that. And that's the thing which is really awesome, and the best thing about is that Google itself is teaching you how to use Google Ads, how to use other platforms of Google, how to use analytics of Google. So Google is teaching you Google Ads. Google is also teaching you about its Google marketing platform. It's teaching you about analytics at Academy. It's teaching you how to do business with Google, Google Ad Manager, Ad Mob, as well as Authorized and Base. Okay, so Google is teaching you all this stuff of how to use its products to its optimum. Okay, and make the most out of it and make the most money just by learning how to use Google products. And the best thing is that you are gonna get certified by Google, and this certification can earn you a lot of money because those who are the members or the clients who are gonna pay you for your particular skill, for example Google Ads, so there may be a client who may be paying you some money for running his Google Ads, and you can also show him that you are certified by Google, and this would be a very trustful factor for him to give his work to you and choose you as his business partner. And this is what is gonna help you to make money online in 2020. All you need to do is invest your a week. Okay, it may take 1 week to complete all these courses of Google Skillshop. All you need to do is invest your 1 week and get paid for the rest of your life. This is something which is really awesome, and that can make you a lot of money in 2020. So just go to this website, sign up for it, take action, just do all the courses which are available and which are provided. And this, okay, Google itself is teaching you, and they have some of the best things, features, and the teachers, okay, who are gonna teach you all this stuff, and the product and the way the Google teaches is the best way in which you can learn about all this stuff. Okay, so the first thing is clear. You just need to go to Google Skillshop, learn the particular skills, and get certified for that absolutely for free. So once you get the skills and once you are certified by Google, all you need to do is go to Fiverr.com and create a gig just like this. For example, this guys, I will manage and optimize your Google Ads. Okay, so this is the thing, this type of, you can make this type of gig. Okay, and if someone asks you that how you are providing this service, what is your certification or how can I trust you, at that time you just need to show your Google certification of Google Skillshop, and the partner will be trusting with you and he will trust you, and that will be a great thing because once he trusts you, he will give his work to you and you will get paid. You can see this guy charges $795 just for running Google Ads for someone else. That's the most important thing because he is not running his own Google ads, okay, and he is making this awesome amount of money just by creating some Google ad campaigns which may take 1 hour a day to create some, and that's the best thing which you can do. All you need to do is make a gig on Fiverr, as well as I'm gonna show you two more websites where you can create these gigs, because I know Fiverr is really very competitive and it will take some time for you to get orders on Fiverr. That's the reason why I have two more websites which has less competition than Fiverr. Okay, so the second website where you can make your gig is known as freelancer.com. Okay, so here also you can provide your service, and for whoever clients who ask about your authority, you can just show him your Google certificate. Okay, and that certificate is the key for you to unlock this big opportunity in freelancing. Okay, and the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus website. Okay, one more website from for where you can provide the skill. Okay, and it has really very less competition. Okay, so the third website is Upwork. Here also you can provide your same skills and you can just make a lot of money. Now it's time for bonus, and I will show you the bonus. Okay, so just go to google.com. Let me open the google.com. Okay, and let's type in quick and gigs. So this is one of a new freelancing platform which has been recently launched. Okay, and that's the reason why there is very less competition on this platform, and that's the reason why on this platform you are getting a chance to rank on the first page. Okay, all you need to do is type in Google Ads, and let's search. So you can see there are very less people who are providing this service over here. 1 2 3 4, almost 15 people are providing this service over here, not more than that. And there is a chance that you will be ranking number one in your with your gig on this website, Quick and Gigs. Okay, as this website gets older, it will get a lot of traffic on it, and you can just utilize all this traffic and you can get the most amount of clients just by doing this very simple trick, which is also make a gig on quickandgigs.com. Okay, so there are 4 places from where you are gonna get orders. One is Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, as well as Quick and Gigs. And you can see that you can charge a lot of money just because you are having the Google certification, and that certification is your authority, and that's the reason why you can charge extra money just for setting up Google campaigns for someone else. You can also do affiliate marketing with the skills. Okay, so you are gonna learn about Google ads, you are gonna learn how to run them, and you can also promote your affiliate products, as well as you can also provide this service for someone else and make most amount of money in 2020. Now it may take some time, it may take some effort, but still you can do this and you can make money online. Not everyone is able to make money online just because they lack the patience. Okay, you just have to be patient. It may take some time, but still it can earn you a lot of money. Patience is the key to success if you are coming in the online space for making money online. I was also someone who was stuck into a 9 to 5 job, but after starting an online business, I was able to skip it, and I want that to happen to you. And that's the reason that I am creating these videos on YouTube, and still just creating these videos on YouTube for all you, because I want that to happen to you. I want you to skip your 9 to 5 job and live a life of freedom.